Hello everyone, and welcome back to our cozy kitchen and channel. Now we're not just cooking together, we're creating memories. So grab your apron and let's get started on this delectable cottage pie recipe that we'll be preparing together. We were actually thinking about making cottage pie, but we knew and believed we couldn't quite remember how to make it from scratch. So here we are, tackling the culinary challenge together. We'll be starting by peeling some potatoes and chopping them into small pieces. Don't worry about being too precise. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once that's done, we'll boil them until they're soft enough to mash. While our potatoes are boiling, let's turn our attention to the beef mince. We want to brown it in a pan and then add a generous dollop of tomato puree for some extra flavor. After our beef has been nicely browned in the puree, it's time to add some onion and garlic for that classic depth of flavor. Now, onto the mashed potato layer. We'll combine butter and milk with our cooked potatoes before adding salt and pepper to taste. It always amazes me how simple yet mouth-watering this recipe is. Now comes the fun part, layering our potato mixture onto the beef mix in a baking dish. Once that's done, we bake our cottage pie for about an hour at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then voila! Dinner is served! And remember, if you ever feel like making this yourself, you can always come back here for a refresher. If you enjoyed this video and would like more delicious recipes like this one, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tasty dishes. Please subscribe, as subscription is free and doesn't cost money. Share the video, comment down below, tap notifications bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload videos, and watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you now to subscribe. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Good luck as you prepare your cottage pie.